Welcome to Silver City, New Mexico, USA, the front yard. The wind, it blows through this fecund plant. It is moderately sexy, no? We meet the gorilla dog. He scrounges in the foliage, looking for a place to wheeze. Along comes a yellow jacket. It suckles on the grape, exploring for a nibble, diving into the flesh. But watch out for your friend. The flowers grow near the wall, lifted ever so gently by the breeze. Yes, I know it is boring. Très ennui. The gorilla dog trips by the rotten apples. A bee joins the yellow jacket in his feast. Gorilla back in the foliage. Perhaps he sniffs for the truffle. The tomato grows. The bell pepper, it grows. The gorilla dog comes across another rotten apple, and the sapling frowned. Which will he choose? Will he eat the apple or the frond? The yellow jacket is stuck in the grape. It is vulnerable. It munches away and finds what looks like a spider. The bamboo, what is it doing here? The gorilla dog again. A choice, decision, apple or frond, frond or apple. Look, he smiles. A fly on the table crawls with its filthy legs. Gorilla dog encore. He has chosen not to choose. It is still a choice. He flies away. Sorti. Gorilla wants to dig. I will not let him. Come on out. You may not dig. No. The yellow jacket again in slow motion. Tomato. And a request for gorilla. Will you shake for us? And now, attack the camera. Another bee. And now the grapes again, blowy for artistic effect. The tension she builds. We return to the flower and the wind, it sways slightly. How erotic. And once more, the luscious grape and the bee. And gorilla dog underneath. The bee again, closer. Who can resist? The gorilla dog, how photogenic. Indoors, the painted frog made out of stone. And meanwhile, the yellow jacket and the bee continue with the grape action. His yellow jacket will brook no rival for his foot. The indoor frog can only imagine. To me, there is a certain redundancy here, n'est-ce pas? A playful twinkle in the frog's eye, it speaks volumes. Clouds gather for the afternoon monsoon rain to bring moisture to this lonely side of God's creation. The butterfly flitters through sunflowers. Above, the impending storm creeps closer. Les amis, ici un portail open to the heaven. Sacré bleu! The frog is blurry. God has painted with his Crayola. Perhaps he is not, as your mouth can say. We play peekaboo with the cosmos. 72 degrees inside the square. The square. The